Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get the Sandbox using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to your wallet section. And here on the top of the screen, as you can see, there are 4 buttons: send, receive, buy, and trade. And if you want to get the Sandbox, you can either buy it or receive it. Now tap on the one that you are interested in, then go to the search bar and type in the Sandbox. And when you tap on it, you will receive your QR code address and address line as well. And by scanning this QR code, you can send the Sandbox from a different wallet to your Trust wallet, or you can send this QR code to anyone and they can send you the Sandbox. Now, there is a very cool feature, the second option, set the set amount icon. When you tap on it, here you can type in a set amount of the Sandbox, and by confirming it, it's going to generate you a new QR code, and with this new QR code, you can receive the Sandbox only this exact amount. So this is a very cool feature for payments or transactions. And obviously the third option is the share button. You can share your QR code and address on different social media platforms or other sites. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.